Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome to the Pool Student Channel. I'm just going to show you two drills that I was practicing the other day and I thought I'd put them together for you. These are finesse drills, so let's go ahead and take a look. The first one is a draw shot drill, one of the very most common shots in pool, and I really thought I'd share this one with you. You guys have seen me shoot this many times, but I think it's worthy of showing it to you again. And just let me say this. If you guys are not into drills, I understand. Some people are not. I am. I can just tell you this, that I attribute my success to performing drills. I just have to do it. It's just the way I am. And this is a simple drill, yet it's one that, like I said, is a very common shot in the game of pool. So I would highly recommend including this in your practice sessions. Let me say something about this particular shot. What I've found works best for me is to try to really maintain a level cue and knife through the cue ball with a nice loose grip, and you'll have great control. Drill number 2 is a very simple drill, but it's one that I think that we should all become very familiar with. This one here is with just side spin only. And it's really about speed. We don't want to overhit this shot. So into here, I'm just trying to get across the table, just going one cushion, using just that side spin I mentioned. It's a real finesse shot for sure. And when you guys try to perform this, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Now the key to this shot, I have found, is that we want to try to put that object ball in the pocket cleanly. Don't hit it too full. Cut it in so that it doesn't contact the rail going in. I think I actually do cut it in one time here, and it does brush the rail. It's not an easy shot when we're putting spin on the cue ball, but that's why we practice. These drills make us a better player by far. I just thought I'd share these two. It's a simple, quick video for you guys. Give this a try. I know it's going to help you in your game. Leave some questions and comments in the comment section below. I answer every one. Thanks for watching, and once again, like I always say, keep on practicing.